Hello and welcome to Cornwall. My name's Andy Paramore, this is Andy's Cornish Creations, and in this short video I'm going to be showcasing some of the work done by some of my friends on YouTube. They've sent me some photos and they're coming up shortly. This one's from Damon. He's done a great job of this bee. It's from a video that I did and it looks every bit as good as mine. He's done a really cracking job of that one. These fun little fish, and they really are great little characters, are from someone with the tag of displacement activity on the YouTube channel, and they're articulated. There's a piece of leather runs down the middle, and it's really cleverly done and turned, and you can see there's quite a few there, and they articulate, sort of look like they're swimming when you move them from side to side. A very clever idea, and there's some great things there, and there they all are together. Here's some great work from Andy. Some really charming snowmen, all painted up, and crikey, look at this lot. There's some beautiful work here, toadstools and bowls. And yeah, it's a real showcase of some fine work. So well done, Andy. Here's a really cute little off-center turned duck from Paul. That's a great job. He looks really cute. Here's a great little character from Mal. He's really cute, that one. And in the picture in the end here, he seems to have been hidden behind a picture frame. Now, Mal told me why, but I'll keep that to myself, Mal. Here's some bowls from Mal. There's some really lovely stuff. The green wood's really amazing. Never seen anything like that. Lovely shape and colour, really nice. And that green wood again. These two bowls look like really fine work. Here are some of the fridge magnets. They're really cute. Picture from Gwyn has sent me a picture of some agate rocks that he collects and makes them into jewellery. There's some of Gwyn's finished jewellery. It's all silver with I guess sort of semi-precious stones. Really beautiful. They remind me a little of Viking or Celtic jewellery. Really nice work. Well, I really enjoyed receiving these pictures, so thank you to everyone that sent them. And if anybody else wants to send any pictures to me, then I really am interested in seeing what people out there make, and I'll put on another video showcasing them. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.